Hello traders, welcome to another weekly Forex forecast with one man. To kick off, we are going to start with the dollar index DXY. And if you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe, like, and comment, as it helps the video to do well on the YouTube for other people to also see it. And then we see what setups will be valid for us in the coming week. This week is going to be a little bit tricky because on Wednesday we have FMC coming in, and on Friday we have the federal rate funds also coming in. So if you're going to be trading on a lower time frame, you need to be careful, but if you're going to be taking swing trades, you wouldn't really have a problem. So first off, we look at the DXY on the monthly time frame, and you can see very clearly that DXY has been in a range for a while. But price broke out of the range, and then we are having a retest. Now the question is, what will happen from here? Will this retest we are having continue to go higher? Or we are going to just drop back into the range and then drop down further? This we don't know yet. But let's see what the weekly can tell us, and then we take it from there. Kindly don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. When we go to the weekly time frame, we could see it clearly that these levels are king, or these levels are holding very strong on the DXY. Is resistance going to turn support? Basic price action after this massive rally, price pull back. Have another massive rally, and then now we are pulling back. The question is, will this pull back reverse from here all the way up, or we are going to drop a little bit down into the weekly demand zone before we continue going up? Well, we don't know yet, so we take it down further to the daily time frame to see what the daily is also saying. Have you subscribed? Now we can see the daily begins to be a little bit clear on what is likely to happen, because we are not going to take trades on the weekly or on the monthly, neither on the daily. So we need to go down to the lower time frame. But in my case, the 4 hour is my entry time frame, and see what the trend is. Here the daily is also very, very bullish, as we can see. But what is happening right now here? Please subscribe. We could see very clear that the daily is beginning to change direction by simply breaking a demand zone, and also the trend line supporting the uptrend has been broken and retested. Now things are very clear, and we know where short-term wise price is heading to. We will fall all the way to the weekly demand zone, since we couldn't hold the daily demand. Now we can conclude DXY is short-term bearish. Hence on XXX-USD pairs, we look for buying opportunities to replicate the same move. Very simple. When we go further down to the 4 hour, the short-term trend is super clear now to be bearish. Hence, the inverse is going to be bullish on dollar pairs. Now let's take pound US dollar. For our example, GBPUSD, for example, and look for the buying opportunity. The buying opportunity will be clear. And same on all other USD pairs. For this video not to be long, we will do another separate video on the other pairs. But let's see how we can pick our entry on the GBPUSD with a complete technical analysis all the way with stops. And take profits to have a full trade. Enjoy the rest of the video to the end. Comment any pair you will love for me to analyze for you in the week, and I will do my best to do that. Also, check my YouTube community page under my profile for screenshots of other setups we aren't able to do veto on. The concepts applied to the GBPUSD is supply and demand, with the DXY string direction in mind. Entries are always candlestick confirmations. We are waiting for the pullback, likely from the FOMC news, before we ride the buy all the way up if you watch to the end. Thank you. Keep trading simple. And 2025 will be your year. Kindly subscribe and like the video. See you on another video.